Hello friends, once again I welcome you over Litmode YouTube platform. Today we will discuss the current affairs of July 4 to July 13. So let's get started. First news is all about means Mastercard. So RBI has barred Mastercard from adding any new clients. So existing clients will have no problem, but Mastercard cannot add any new clients. So in 2018, RBI issued guidelines saying that all payment system like Mastercard, Visa, American Express, Diners Club will have to set their entire data only in India. So for that, to store entire data in India, they need to set up data center in India. So yesterday I told you that Microsoft is setting its data center in Telangana. So this company did not comply with data storage norms. So RBI has barred Mastercard. If we talk about the practical use of Mastercard, so suppose that in India means basically all banks has its own debit card and credit card. So suppose Mukesh Ambani is the customer of Yes Bank. Okay, I have taken the example of Yes Bank because Yes Bank uses the payment network of Mastercard only. Okay, similarly, Kotak Mahindra Bank uses the payment network of Visa only, while other banks uses all kind of thing like a Rupee card, Visa, Mastercard. Okay, mix of thing. But if you talk about only Yes Bank, so Yes Bank uses the processing network of Mastercard only. So the customer of Yes Bank means Yes Bank cannot add any new clients right now. If we talk about means debit card and credit card. Alright, so Mukesh Ambani is a customer of Yes Bank. If Mukesh Ambani goes to the ATM of SBI and swipes his card, so SBI will have the data of Mukesh Ambani that okay, this person is a high net worth individual, so why not poach them and make him the client of SBI? To safeguard this thing, different company came into the picture like Mastercard and Visa. So they basically provide infrastructure which processes payments and safeguard this kind of data. Alright, you can see here that RBI order will not impact existing customer of Mastercard. So just I told you that Yes Bank uses the service of Mastercard only. So the existing customers of Yes Bank will have no problem. Also, the supervisory action has been taken in exercise of PSS. And what is PSS Act? So this is Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. So this is very important. In April this year, RBI had imposed restrictions on American Express, Amex, and Diners Club from onboarding domestic customers, citing non-compliance. Also, in recent times, RBI banned HDFC, means barred HDFC from adding new clients. What was the reason? The reason was technical glitch in the application of HDFC. Okay. So moving forward to the next news. This is about Bhim UPI. Okay. So Bhutan becomes first neighboring country to use Bhim UPI. So first of all, you will understand what is Bhim and what is UPI. So what is UPI? So full form of UPI is Unified Payment Interface. So Unified Payment Interface is a instant real-time payment system and it allows users to transfer money on a real-time basis across multiple bank accounts, and it happens without disclosing details of one's bank account to the other party. And since UPI it is an interface only, so different kind of application can be made on the interface of UPI. So Bhim, if you talk about Bhim, the full form is Bharat Interface for Money. So it is a payment application that lets you make simple, easy and quick transaction using API. So basically Bhim has been made over the top of UPI, so it is known as Bhim UPI. Hope it is clear to you. And who operates such this kind of thing? So there is an organization in India named as NPCI, that is National Payments Corporation of India. So NPCI is basically a not-for-profit company. And if we talk about the section, so NPI is basically not-for-profit company under the provisions of Section 25 of 1956. Okay, Section 25 of 1956, which is now the Section 8 of Companies Act 2013. Okay. So you can see the news that Bhutan becomes the first neighboring country to use Bhim API. Bhutan will also become the only country to both issue RuPay card as well as accept Bhim UPI. So we already know about what is Bhim UPI. So it is currently available in 20 languages. This is very important. And the developer of Bhim is NPCI, that is National Payment Corporation of India. And then it was named after Bhimrao Ambedkar and launched on 30 December 2016. While if you talk about RuPay card, so RuPay card, the very term RuPay has been derived from rupee and payment. It emphasizes that it is India's very own initiative for debit card and credit card payments processing. Like globally, it is MasterCard and Visa. Okay, so it competes with MasterCard, Visa, American Express. Moving forward, RBI cancels license of Dr. Shivaji Patil Nilangekar Urban Cooperative Bank, Latur. So basically, it does not comply with the provisions of the Banking Regulation Act 1949. So must remember the BR Act 1949. So this is the news. Shivaji Rao Patil Nilangekar has been license of this urban cooperative bank has been cancelled by RBI. So in another news, a very important news, it is about Indian Bad Bank. Okay, so Indian Bad Bank takes shape with SBI executive as its first chief. So you know that what is the name of so-called Bad Bank of India? So it is NARCL. NARCL. This is very important. And what is the full form of NARCL? So National Asset Reconstruction Co Limited. So you just have to remember these three: National Asset Reconstruction. So this company has been registered in Mumbai, and Padma Kumar Madhavan Nair, that is PM Nair, will be its first chief. You can see here that NARCL gets registered with paid capital of 74.6 crore in Mumbai. And we talk about if we talk about authorized capital, so this is 100 crore. Okay. And initially, a state-run bank will transfer 12 bad loans account with 89,000 crore to the National Asset Reconstruction Company, and this will be headed by the PM Nair. Okay, so this was the news from India's Bad Bank. Moving forward, RBI Retail Direct Scheme. So what is this scheme all about? So RBI announced the RBI Retail Direct Scheme. So from this scheme, any retailers, like any common man, will have the facility to open and maintain the Retail Direct Gilt account, that is RDG account with the RBI. And what is Gilt account? So a Gilt account can be compared with the bank account, expected that the account is debited or credited with treasury bills or government securities instead of money. So this is the difference between Gilt account versus bank account. That in bank account, money is used for debit and credit purpose, while in Gilt account, treasury bills or government securities is used. So this is a way of government to gather money from individuals. So this is a very important news, must remember. Moving forward, send bank staff in sensitive operations on surprise leave, RBI. So just remember that RBI has asked bank to give a 10-day mandatory leave to employees working in sensitive positions like treasury operations and currency chests under modified risk management guidelines. Okay. Now the new chief minister of Uttarakhand is Pushkar Singh Dhami, and he is from BJP, and he was born in Pithoragarh of Uttarakhand. And Tirath Singh Rawat has resigned from the post of Uttarakhand chief minister. So new one is Pushkar Singh Dhami. And Keshav Dutt passed away. He was the gold winner at the 1948 and 52 Olympics. So he died on 7 July, and currently Olympic is ongoing in Tokyo, and Mirabai Chanu has already won a silver medal for India in weightlifting. So this news becomes very important. And if we talk about extra news, so veteran actor Dilip Kumar passes away at 98. So this is Dilip Kumar. And former Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh passed away. So this is Veerbhadra Singh. And who is the current Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh? So this is Jairam Thakur. If we talk about cricket, so Indian women cricket team captain Mithali Raj sets new international run scoring record in ODI. So now he holds the maximum runs in ODI cricket. Her age is 38. This is Mithali Raj. And Federal Bank shareholders have reappointed Shyam Srinivasan as the MD and CEO of the lender for a period of 3 years. Okay, so this is Shyam Srinivasan. So if you like our video, kindly subscribe our annual course. See you in another video. Till then, take care and prepare for the upcoming examination very hard.